Here are some skincare tips that can help you have a nourished and healthy skin. Number 1. Drink lots of water. If you don't drink enough water, your skin might end up getting dry or wrinkled. So stay hydrated, as it is proven to be great for your skin. Number 2. Consume healthy food. If you have blemish-prone skin, then you should include lots of protein-rich food items such as eggs, fish, or pulses, as they can add defensive antioxidants to your body, resulting in clearer and brighter skin. Number 3. Exercise. Make sure that you exercise enough that results in good sweat, because in that process your pores open, releasing accumulated dirt, which aids in clearing your skin. Number 4. Face yoga. The exercises are performed by making various faces and smoothing with your fingertips. They work out all layers of your skin, from eye bags to loose jowls. Number 5. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Splashing your face with lukewarm water can strip natural oils. Use the level of lukewarm which is most comfortable. Please don't go too extreme with the temperatures.
Now, let's go through some do's and don'ts for winter skincare routine. First one is hydrate. Dry skin is a key indicator of dehydration, so it's best to get your H2O on before you crave it. Second is exfoliate. Delicately dry brush twice a week with a small soft boar bristle brush which cleans dead skin naturally. Third is protect. Sunscreen is a must 365 days a year. Fourth is detoxify. Once a week, apply a mask to tighten, tone, and purifies. Last is combine. Give your skin a break by using an all-in-all coverage anti-aging and SPF product. Moving on to some don't. First one is overkill. Because your skin is more prone to irritation during drier winter months, it's best to keep to a simple routine. Second is overspend. Department store counters are fun for browsing, but you will get more skincare bang for your buck from lines at your local drugstore. Overeat. We crave rich foods this time of year, but too much of a good thing can show up as clogged pores and breakouts. Next is undereat. On the flip side, too few calories can leave you looking sallow and haggard. Last is undersleep. Skimping on sleep results puffy eyes, dark circle, and ashy complexion. Not a great look at all.